Welcome to the top best. The best transistor is probably one of the most versatile and fundamental electronic components available today, acting as a crucial building block in virtually all modern electronic devices, from simple radios to complex supercomputers, and understanding its role and capabilities is key to appreciating the intricate world of electronics and how it shapes our daily lives. Number 5. Chanzon 400 PCS292 Transistor Kit. Introducing the Chanzon 400 PCS292 Transistor Kit, a comprehensive assortment for your electronic projects. This kit includes 20 different models of NPN and PNP transistors, with 20 pieces of each. You'll find a wide variety of transistors here, perfect for general-purpose applications. It's designed to meet diverse needs in signal processing and amplification. This assortment features both NPN and PNP power bipolar junction transistors. We've also included the 2N7000 MOSFET for even more versatile applications. These components are ideal for use in power supplies and amplification circuits. They are suitable for a wide range of electronic projects. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable plastic box. Each part has its own separate compartment, making it easy to find what you need. Choose Chanzon for reliable components that power your innovations. This kit provides the essential building blocks for your electronic designs. What we like. This kit offers a vast selection of 400 transistors across 20 different models, covering both NPN and PNP types, plus a MOSFET. If you're working on a wide range of general-purpose electronic projects and need a comprehensive assortment for experimentation or repair, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for hobbyists and students who want a broad spectrum of components readily available. What people say. The transistor has a high gain and low leakage current, making it suitable for sensitive amplification circuits. Its small package size and low thermal resistance allow for efficient heat dissipation in compact designs. The device exhibits excellent switching speed, enabling fast response times in digital logic applications. Number 4. 434 PCS 24 Values Transistor Assortment Kit. Discover a comprehensive assortment of transistors, featuring 24 different values to meet all your electronic project needs. This kit provides an abundant supply of 434 components, covering a wide spectrum of 24 distinct transistor types. You'll find a variety of essential transistors, including BJTs, MOSFETs, CHVETs, Darlingtons, and germanium types. It includes commonly used models like the 2N3904, 2N3906, 2N5551, 2N5401, C945, and many more for your convenience. All transistors are neatly sorted and labeled within a handy box, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Additionally, this kit comes with 20 transistor sockets, providing extra utility for your projects. What we like. With 434 pieces and 24 values, this kit stands out by including not just BJTs, MOSFETs, and CHVETs, but also germanium and Darlington transistors, offering a wider variety of semiconductor technologies. If you're looking to explore different transistor types or need specialized components for advanced projects, this kit provides that breadth. The inclusion of transistor sockets is a significant bonus for ease of use and prototyping. What people say. I especially like that the transistor type and basic parameters are right on the cover of the storage box. Great kit. In fact, it even came with an extra 3AX31 and an extra J201. This is a great collection of common transistors that are useful for electronic experimenters. Most of the transistors have labels on the transistor itself. However, the transistors in the 2N2222 well are unlabeled. Those transistors are bipolar, NPN transistors, as verified by my TC1 electronic component tester. Number 3. BOJACK 10 Values 250 PCS Transistor Assortment Kit. Introducing the BOJACK High-Quality Power Transistors Assortment Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for all your electronic project needs. It includes a variety of both PNP and NPN transistor types. This ensures you have the right component for any application. You'll find 10 popular transistor models included in this kit. From A1015 to 2N3906, all your common needs are covered. With a total of 250 pieces, you get 25 of each model. This generous quantity ensures you won't run out of essential components quickly. Everything is neatly packed in a rugged, resealable plastic storage case. This makes it easy to keep your transistors organized and accessible. This general-purpose transistor assortment kit is ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. It's a must-have for any electronics workbench. What we like. This kit provides 250 pieces of 10 of the most common NPN and PNP transistor values, perfect for general-purpose applications. If you frequently work on common circuits and need a reliable supply of the most used transistors without an overwhelming selection, this is for you. Its focus on essential models and a rugged case makes it a practical choice for everyday electronics tasks. What people say. Great quality. Great variety of transistors. Useful for any application. I used a number of these and they were great. Soldered them into a board with no problems. Nice variety, general-purpose transistors. Number 2. EEEEE 300 PCS 292 Transistor Assortment Kit. Introducing a versatile kit featuring 300 assorted transistors. This collection includes both NPN and PNP types, perfect for a wide range of electronic projects. Explore 30 distinct models within this assortment. Each type is conveniently organized, making it easy to find exactly what you need for your circuit designs. The transistors are neatly housed in individual compartments. This thoughtful design ensures easy identification and prevents mixing of components. This kit provides general-purpose bipolar power transistors essential for many electronic applications. They are reliable components for your building needs. Whether you're a seasoned electronics professional or a hobbyist, this assortment offers great value. It's a must-have for anyone working with electronic circuits. You can trust the quality of these components for your projects. They are designed to meet general-purpose requirements effectively. What we like. This kit boasts 300 transistors across 30 different models, emphasizing a high variety within a manageable quantity. If you appreciate having a wide selection of specific transistor types neatly organized, this kit is ideal. The individual compartments for each type ensure easy identification and access, making it suitable for projects requiring precise component selection. What people say. You get 392 transistors across 30 different PNP and NPN types, which covers pretty much everything you'd commonly need when building or prototyping Arduino circuits. The transistors are all standard 292 packages, so they are the right size for breadboards and work perfectly with jumper wires. Good assortment of common transistors for general electronics work. The variety of types is helpful for prototyping and repairs. Number 1. Transistor Assortment Kit with Resistor Pack. This kit provides a wide selection of essential PNP and NPN bipolar transistors. You'll find the most common types needed for your projects, ensuring you always have the right component. With 210 pieces, this assortment ensures you're well equipped for any circuit design. Never worry about lacking the correct transistor again. As a bonus, this kit includes 250 metal film resistors. These are the most commonly used values, perfect for complementing your electronic circuits. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable plastic storage box. This makes it easy to keep your components tidy and transport them wherever you go. We stand by the quality of our components. This assortment pack is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers a solid selection of 210 common NPN and PNP transistors, but its unique selling point is the included bonus pack of 250 resistors. If you're starting a new project or restocking your electronic supplies and need both transistors and common resistor values, this all-in-one package saves you time and effort. It's perfect for hobbyists who want a convenient bundle for general circuit building. What people say. At least 2 of the sorted boxes are rated for 45 volts capacity and 500 milliamp limit. Switching time is as mentioned very fast. A great assortment of commonly used transistors and the accompanying resistor assortment bonus is a real plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.